Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to Coding Sahai. I am Reshma. So in the previous video we discussed some of the questions based on error finding and the output based questions using range functions. So in this video we are going to solve some output based questions. So let's begin. So before we start, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and share the videos. So let's begin. Find output generated by the following code. So here it is initialized as num as 20 and sum as 0. Then we have a loop here for I in range of 10, num, 3. That means here I executes from 10 till num minus 1. That is till 19 it will be executed. 10 and 19 are included. And we have a step value 3, that is incrementing by 3. So what is the initial value of I? Here the initial value of I is 10. Then in the next line, sum plus equal to I. What does it mean? Here it is sum equal to sum plus I. So what is the initial value of sum? It is 0. So 0 plus I is 10, so you will get 10. Then coming to the next line, if I modulo 2 equal to 0. So what is the value of I? The value of I is 10. 10 modulo 2 equal to 0. Is it satisfying? Yes, 10 divided by 2, it is completely divisible. So you will get the remainder as 0. So it is satisfying. So if it is satisfying, what should be done? Print I into 2. See, this is the output we are getting in the output window or the final results. So this actually we need to write in our answer sheet also. So here I is actually 10. 10 into 2, that means 20. 20 will be printed. Then whether else part will be executed? No, else will not be executed. It's going back to this for loop. And it is incrementing by 3. Actually it started with 10, so the step value is 3. So now it is I equal to 10 plus 3, you will get the value as 13. Then coming to the next line, sum is equal to sum plus I. So sum is equal to 10 plus I, 13. So now you are getting 23. Again, if I modulo 2 equal to 0, the value of I is 13. So 13 modulo 2 equal to 0. Is it satisfying? Not satisfying. So coming to the else part and print I into 3. That means 13 into 3. So here it prints 39. Then again going back to the loop, I is incrementing by 3. That is the last value of I is 13. Now it is 16. Coming to the next line, sum equal to sum plus equal to I. That means sum is equal to the last value of sum is 23. So 23 plus I, that is 16. So you will get 39. Then coming to the next line, if I modulo 2 equal to 0, it is 16 modulo 2 equal to 0. Is it satisfying? Yes. So if it is satisfying, then print I into 2. That means 16 into 2. So here it prints 32. Okay. Then again going back, I is incrementing by 3. That means now the value of I is 16 plus 3, it is 19. Whether this loop will be executed? Yes, because I is in the range 10 to 90, that is 10 and 19 are included, right? So it will be executed. Then coming to the next line, it is sum plus equal to I. The last value sum is 39. So 39 plus 19. So you will get 58. Then again coming to this line, if I modulo 2 equal to 0, that is 19 modulo 2 equal to 0. Is it satisfying? No. So coming to the else part, and here it is printing print I into 3. That means here actually it should print 19 into 3. So 19 into 3, it is 57. So here it goes back, then I is incrementing by 3. That means it is actually 22. So 22 is not in this range. So the loop is finished here. It is coming out of the loop. So any other statement after for loop? No other statement after this for loop. So this will be the output of this code. So let's see the next question. So this is our next question. So it is written P equal to true. That means P gets a boolean value true. Then we have while P. That means while true. That means the while loop is executing till the condition is false. So whenever it is true, always it executes. That loop executes. Okay. So here while P means while true. Okay, then print you are passed. So here prints this message you are passed. It goes to the next line, that is P equal to false. That means now the value of P is changed to false. First value of P is true. Now after executing this statement, P becomes false. Then it's going back and while P. So it is taking while true. Is it satisfying? No, because P has the value false. So it's coming out of the loop. So in this case, this while loop is executing only for one time. Now it is coming out. There is another statement, that is I equal to 1. Whether this I equal to 1 is under this while loop? No, it is out of the loop and is initialized as 1. Then while I less than 6, that means 1 less than 6. Is it satisfying? Yes. So it is printing I. The value of I is 1. So that 1 will be printed. Then again I equal to I plus 1. Now I is incremented by 1, that is 1 plus 1, 2. Again it's going back and checking whether 2 less than 6. Is it satisfying? Yes, it is printing that value 2. That 2 will be printed. So here I is incrementing by 1. That means 2 plus 1 you will get 3. Again going back and checking 3 less than 6. Is it satisfying? Yes, it is satisfying. So print I. That is 3 is printing. Then it is incrementing. I is I plus 1. That is 3 plus 1. You will get the value 4. Again going back. 4 less than 6. Then printing this 4. Then I is equal to 4 plus 1. You will get 5. Then checking again 5 less than 6. Is it satisfying? Yes, it's satisfying. So again print I, that means 5 is printing here. Then I is again incrementing, that is 5 plus 1, 6. So then it is checking whether 6 less than 6. Is it satisfying? No. So our loop is finished here. So after the loop we don't have any other statement. So the output of this question is this one. You are passed and it is printing from 1 to 5. Okay, so let's solve the next question. This is our next program, that is n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. That means n is initialized as 1, 2, 3, 4. Then r equal to 0. Then print given number n. So here you have a print statement. So in the output, obviously this print statement will be there. So this will be printed as given number. It is in double quote. So as it is, it will be printed given number. Then we have a colon here. So that colon must be given. Then we have n. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that it's coming to this line while n greater than 0. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's greater than 0. Is it satisfying? Yes. Coming to the next line, REM is equal to n modulo 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 modulo 10. So you will get the answer as 5. If you are doing modulo operation with 10, then the unit place will be extracted. Then R equal to R into 10 plus REM. That means it is 0, 0 into 10 plus REM. That means 5. So you will get 0 plus 5, 5. Here n equal to n by 10. That means n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 floor division 10. You know floor division, when you are doing, the decimal part will be truncated. So your answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4. After this one, again it's going back and checking 1, 2, 3, 4 greater than 0. Is it satisfying? Yes, it is satisfying. Okay, so it's coming to this line, that is REM equal to n modulo 10. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 modulo 10. Now it is 4. Then it is R equal to 5 into 10 plus REM. REM is 4, that means 5 into 10 it is 50, so you will get 54. Then again n equal to n by 10, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, floor division 10, you will get 1, 2, 3. Now we got R as 54 and n as 123. So again it's going back and checking while n greater than 0. 123 greater than 0, it is satisfying. Then RAM is equal to, now 1, 2, 3 modulo 10, that means you will get RAM as 3. Then R equal to, again R into 10. 54 into 10 plus our RAM. RAM is 3. 54 into 10, it is 540 plus 3, you will get 543. N equal to n floor division 10. So 123 floor division 10, you will get 12. Then again it is checking 12 greater than 0. Is it satisfying? Yes. Then again REM is equal to 12 modulo 10 2. Then R equal to 543 into 10 plus 2, you will get 5432. Okay, so again we have the statement n equal to n floor division 10, that means n is equal to 12 floor division 10, so you will get the answer as 1. Again going back, it is checking 1 greater than 0. Is it satisfying? Yes, it is satisfying. REM is equal to n modulo 10. So what is the value of n? It is 1. 1 modulo 10, you will get 1 itself. Already I told you, if you have a number less than 10 and you are doing modulo operation with 10, then you will get the same number. That is, if you are doing 2 modulo 10, it is 2, 3 modulo 10, 3. Okay. Then we have R equal to R into 10 plus REM. So you will get 5432 into 10 plus 1. So here R equal to, you will get 54320 plus 1. It is 54321. So now you got 54321. See here n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now R equal to 54321. So this program actually it is reversing the number. Then we have n is equal to 1 floor division 10. So 1 floor division 10, you will get 0. Checking 0 greater than 0. Is it satisfying? It is not satisfying. So it will come out of the loop and then it prints the output. So here you can see a statement. Print the output is. Okay, so here it must be printed like this. That is star star the output is. Then again we have double star, so that must be printed. Then we have in the next line print R. What is the last value of R? The last value of R is 54321. So you need to print here 54321. So this is the output for this program. So let's see the next question. Okay, so this is our next question. For I in range of and for j in range of. That means inside our I loop, another loop we have with j. It is a nested loop. So let's see how this program code works. Okay, so for I in range of 3, 10, 3. That means here the value of I ranges from 3 to 10. 10 is not included, that is it is executing till 9. Then we have a step value, that is 3. That means the value of I is incrementing by 3. Now what is the initial value of I? The initial value of I is 3. Now coming inside our loop. So this is our inner loop. So in inner loop it is written for j in range of 1, I, 2. So j in range of 1, I, 2. So it is 1, I. What is the value of I? The value of I is 3. So 3 is not included. So till 9. 1 to 2. And one more thing, here we have a step value 2. The value of j is 1. Then it's coming inside print j. So wherever you have a print statement, so that is our output. So 1 will be printed here. Okay, we have an end statement. That means it is not going to the next line. Your cursor will be on the same line. It is taking a space there. So then again it is going back and j in range of 1, I, 2. So here 2 is the step value, so it is incrementing by 2. 1 plus 2, 3. So whether this is in range 1 to 3, no, it is not in that range. So it is coming out of the loop. That is, the inner loop is finished here because j got the value 3, which is not in that range. So it's coming out, and we have another statement, print here. See, this 4 and this print are under our outer loop 4. After finishing this inner loop, it is directly coming to this print statement. And here it is a simple print statement. That means it acts as a new line character. It is simply going to the next line. You know, for print statement, the end character is always /n. It is terminated by new line character. So your cursor will be in this position. That means the next output will be printed in the next line. Then again it is going back here for I in range of. The value of I is incremented by 3. I equal to 3. Now it is incrementing by 3. That means it is 6. Okay, so whether 6 is in this range 3 to 10? Yes. So again coming inside our inner loop. Now inner loop is restarting. Okay, that means j is initializing with 1. Here j equal to 1 till where it should be executed, till I. The value of I is 6. That means it is going to execute till 5. Now the value of j is 1. Then it is coming inside print j. So what is the value of j now? It is 1 again. So that 1 will be printed here. Then we have end equal to space. That means here it is taking 1 space. Then again going back to the loop, and now j is incremented by 2. That is 1 plus 2, you will get 3. Then coming inside our loop and print j. It is 3, so that 3 will be printed here. Then again end. Then again going back, the value of j is incremented by 2. So the last value was 3. 3 plus 2, it is 5. Whether it is in this range? Yes, it is in that range. So 5 will be printed here. Then again it's giving an end statement. Then going back, and j is incrementing by 2. So now it is 7. So whether it is in this range 1 to 5? No, so it is coming out of the loop. It goes to the next print statement. It is going to the next line. Then again going back. So in this case again I is incrementing by 3. The last value of I is 6. So 6 plus 3 you will get 9. It is in this range, that is 3 to 10. So again coming inside, and now we are in inner loop for j in range of 1 comma I. It starts from 1 till 9. Whether 9 is included? No. So 1 till 8. Then here we have a step value 2. Then it's coming inside print j. The initial value of j is 1. So that 1 will be printed here. Again end. Then going back, j is incrementing by 2. That is j is equal to now 1 plus 2, that is 3. Again coming inside and printing that 3 here. J is incrementing by 2. Now it is 5. 5 is in this range 1 to 8. Yes, it is in this range. So again coming inside, 5 will be printed here. Then it is going back, j is incrementing, that is 5 plus 2, you will get 7. Whether 7 is in this range 1 to 8. Yes, it is in that range. So it is coming to this line, print j. What is the value of j? The value of j is 7. So it is printing the 7 here. Again end. Then j equal to 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 equal to 9. 9 is not included. It is 1 to 8. It is going to work. So it is coming out of the loop and our print statement will be executed. Then again going back, and now the value of I is incrementing. Now 9 plus 3, it is 12. So whether 12 is in this range 3 to 10? No. So we are coming out of our outer loop. There is no other statement after this outer loop. So you will get the output like this. So this pattern will be printed as the output. So let's see the next question. So this is our next question. This is also a nested loop. So let's see how it works. So here for I in range of -1, 5, 2. So here I is in the range of -1 till 5. Whether 5 is included? No. So -1 till 4. And here we have a step value 2. The initial value of I is -1. So now we are coming inside our loop, that is for j in range of 3. That means we are in the inner loop. J in range of 0 to 3. Whether 3 is included? No. It is from 0 to 2. Here j is initialized as 0. Then what is inside? Print I at j. Okay, so I, what is the value of I? It is -1 at j. What is the value of j? It is 0. So it will be printed as the value of I is -1, then at the rate of, then the value of j is 0. So -1 at 0. Then again going back to the loop, in the loop, j in range of. So value of j is 1. Now coming inside I at j. Whether the value of I is changed? No, we are still inside our inner loop. So whenever you are going to the outer loop, that time only it is changing. So still the value of I is -1 itself, but the value of j is changed to 1. So now you are getting the value as I is -1 at the rate of j. J is 1. Again coming to the loop, that is j equal to 2. So again it is printing print I at j. Still I is not changed. I has the value -1. J is 2. Okay. So now the output is -1 at 2. Then coming to this loop again. Now the value of j is 3. Whether 3 is in this range 0 to 3. No. So we are coming out of the inner loop and going back to our outer loop. And what is the value of I? It is -1. Now it is incrementing by 2. So -1 plus 2 you will get 1. Now again coming to the inner loop. So inner loop is restarting. So again we have the value of j. J is going to execute from 0 to 2. 2 is included. So the initial value of j is 0. So here it is printing print I at j 1 at 0. So the output will be like this, 1 at 0. Again j is incrementing by 1 same as this one, that is 0, 1, 2. So j is incrementing by 1, 1 at 1. Then j is 2, 1 at 2. Now j equal to 3, so it's coming out of the loop because it is not in that range. Going back to our outer loop, now I equal to 1 plus step value 2, it is 3. Okay, again coming inside j equal to same range, that is when j equal to 0, it is printing I at j, it is 3 at 0. Then j equal to 1, so it is 3 at 1. Then j equal to 2, 3 at 2. Now j is 3, so it is not in this range 0 to 3. So that time it is coming out of the loop and going back, and I is incrementing. I equal to 3 plus 2, it is 5. Whether this is in this range, that is we have the range from 1 to 5, that means 5 is not included. So that time it comes out of the loop. So our loop is finished here and we don't have any other statement after this for loop. So this is our output. So we solved some output based questions. The error finding questions and the output based questions are very important because you can expect this one for your examinations. So our next topic is strings in Python. So that we are going to discuss in the next video. So if you have any doubts or suggestions, please feel free to comment. Thank you for watching.